In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI thumbnails for the sport niche. So the platform that we're going to use is Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here we need to go to the image section and use these settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use this prompt that I'm going to put in the comment section. And here, where it says title, we need to write the title of our video. For example, this one. Now here, where it says text, we have to write the text that we want to appear in the thumbnail. So let's put this. And now in reference image, I recommend you to upload a reference image of your video. But in this case, I don't have any image. So let's erase this. And now we have to click this button. And now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect. Here we have the result of the thumbnails. And as you can see, the quality of them are really good. So if you want to do thumbnails like this one, I want to tell you that this platform have an offer that if you are trying and you are a new user, you can try it for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.